What's going on, my friend? It's Jason Foster again, and hope you're doing really well today. Now, you took your time to basically come online and look for a Digistore 24 review because maybe you're looking to start doing affiliate marketing, which is, by the way, my number one method of making money online. Very nice business model. And if you're looking to get started properly, because let me tell you right now, there are many bad information online. So if you're looking to get started, I'm going to help you out. There's a link in my description. Don't click on that yet. You want to just watch this Digistore 24 review. I'm going to be helping you, showing you how the platform works and how you can make money from this as an affiliate marketer. All right, so this is going to be really good. So this is the front page of Digistore 24, right? More sales, less work. All right. Now I am logged in also to my Digistore account. This is like the dashboard where you come and check your sales, your earnings, everything, right? And you also go to like the marketplace over here. You can always go to the marketplace and see products that you can promote as an affiliate marketer. Now, a lot of people come on this website and they start promoting products by just getting their link and spamming it all over the place. I'm going to show you the right way to do this. So you don't want to be failing as an affiliate marketer. You want to do things correctly. All right. By the way, I did a previous video already about how to promote Digistore 24 products for free, which I show you two methods that you can use to, create your business online as an affiliate marketer, promote good quality products on Digistore, and make real good money as well. All right. Now on Digistore, easy to start. You can basically come on this page and you can just register for free. So all you need to do is just put in all your information, right? It's very simple and self-explanatory. I don't want to insult your intelligence. So it's very easy. All you need to do is just come on this page and follow simple instructions and just register for free. All right. They pay you out in three different ways, right? So if you have a PayPal account, which is really, really good, you can enter that information there and they pay you out PayPal. They also do ACH, which is basically sending it to your bank account. And they also do checks as well. All right. So you have different methods. Now, I compare this to a lot of different websites out there. Like the top one out there is ClickBank. Now, a lot of people have been reaching out and, they cannot get on ClickBank. This is a great alternative to ClickBank because ClickBank don't really accept all countries of the world, especially African countries and poor Asian countries as well. So if you're coming from any of those countries, most likely Digistore will be a good place for you to come on and sign up to. All right. It's a German company and they're doing pretty well as well. They don't have a lot of products in the marketplace right now, but you still can come on and find quality products. All right. So when you click on the marketplace, you're going to see the products which are selling the most on the platform right now. This one, Meticore, is in the health related niche. All right. So a good tip for you as an affiliate marketer is that when you're coming online, you want to make sure you focus on one particular niche. Okay. For myself, I'm in the online business marketing niche, basically the make money online niche. So I talk about make money online products. I review make money online products in the marketplace and I offer good suggestions so that people can get led on to the best training online to get results. Okay. So make sure that you focus on a niche when you decide to come into affiliate marketing. So basically, these are the niches, right? These are categories. We call them niche. Okay. Some people say niche, but basically it's the same thing. So as you can see, sports, spirituality, software, you find jobs and employment, you find games and fun, food, fitness, right? So the big tip that I could do for you right now is basically tell you to focus on what's already selling, okay? What's already selling in the marketplace. Now it's easy to get your affiliate link. All you need to do is just copy this link right here. So you can right click on it and click on copy. And I'm just gonna open a new window here and basically just paste it there, right there. So this is like my affiliate link. You will see when you sign up to Digistore, you will see that you have the option to enter your username. So this is where your affiliate link, your affiliate your ID will be embedded. So when you put in your username, whatever name you choose to use, it's going to create your affiliate link right here. And then you basically keep filling out all the information on this page. Okay. So that's what it is. So as I mentioned, this is my affiliate link. So like when I enter, and someone were, if I were to share that link with someone and they buy this Meticore product, I will earn a commission. All right. So how do you actually check your commission? You can always go like to the checkout page of any page that you share. Let me like show you what I mean. For example, I get paid out this program down here called Tube Mastery and Monetization, right? When I copy this link, I'm going to show you how it works, right? So this is going to show you how you know that your link is actually working, right? So you basically paste the link in a new window and check it for yourself to make sure it actually works, right? So you want to go to the checkout page, like this will be the checkout page, and then you want to go to the bottom right of the page when you click on the checkout page to see if your affiliate ID is there, right? So my affiliate ID is this right here. So I know that this does work, right? So make sure you always check on that when you are promoting stuff, okay? So with Digistore, it's easy to come, easy to really know about the platform, really easy to navigate the platform, right? So let me minimize this. So you have the marketplace, you have account, you have reports. This is where you go and check on your analytics, how many clicks you're getting. You can check on your payout, your commissions. You can check on transactions and everything. So it's really, they designed this website very simply for people to come on and just to find products to promote. All right. Now, when you're promoting these products, as I mentioned, this video is important for you to watch so that you can get the good information to promote those products. Right. But I'm going to kind of give you a little refresher in this video right now. Basically, there are like two ways, right? So I like to tell people two ways to basically go out there and promote products for free, right? So organically, it's on YouTube or on a website like a WordPress website. So the thing is, you want to be creating content first, right? So you want to create content on YouTube or you want to create content on Google, on your website, right? So those are the top two free ways that you can go out there and promote Digistore products. So again, make sure you go ahead and watch this video. I'm going to link it right up here so you can watch it. And also in the description section as well, you can also learn about Digistore as well. Right now, it's a pretty good platform, as I mentioned. But people are doing it wrong, right? People are just spamming their links, okay? Now, also, if there's another advanced strategy you can use like landing pages to collect people's email address as well. All right. So, like for my landing page, I use landing pages all the time to collect email addresses. Like I'm going to show you one, like the one that I'm using for like my best recommendation is going to be this one, right? So I always collect people's email address so that I can follow up with them. This is very important because most people won't buy right at the first time when they see something. Okay, so you want to collect the email address and then you want to lead them over to what is called a bridge page or a thank you page where you're going to create a video, right? And kind of thank people for opting in, and then you explain the opportunity that you're going to have for them. Okay, so like in this example, I'm just going to show you right now. So if someone comes on this page and they, for example, put their email address in, this is another page called a bridge page where people come onto and they're gonna watch this video because I said watch this video first, right? And then what happened, this is where the affiliate link will be, okay? So you don't want to just put the affiliate link, a raw affiliate link to give to people without being able to follow up with them, right? So when people put their email address in, I have a thing called an email autoresponder, which allows me to send emails whenever time I want to follow up with those people who actually gave me their email addresses. Now, this is how you find seven-figure earners online and eight-figure earners. These are strategies that they're using. They're not going out and spamming any links. They're building a relationship with the people on their email list, and they're getting results that way. All right. So this is what I suggest for you guys as well out there. All right. So obviously, I earn full-time income online as an affiliate marketer, right? Digistore is one of the platforms that I promote products from. Okay, there are many platforms out there: ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, right? Most of those platforms, like JVZoo, for example, and Warrior Plus, you usually find some low quality products on it. All right. And you don't want to be promoting those products all the time, because your reputation, it's good to keep a good reputation online so that, people will buy from you again. So you want to focus on always promoting high quality products online, right? You want to make sure you do that so that you can make more sales and build a relationship with your list. That's very, very important. But for Digistore, it's easy to come on to, easy to sign up to. It's not complicated. If you have questions you want me to help you with, you can always reach me personally, right? I offer personal support to like my viewers and subscribers as well. You can leave a comment right below here on YouTube. You can send me an email even at support@jasonfosteronline, or you can go to jason@smarthumanblogger.com and I'll help you out as well. All right. So hopefully you find this valuable, my friend. If you want to like the video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also share the video and, let me know what's going on in your world. I like to help people out there, and hopefully this has been helpful. Thank you so much for taking your time. And if you're looking to make big money online, right? Huge income online, and you want to learn it from the best people out there, okay? You can go ahead and check my description for my best recommendation to earn money with affiliate marketing. You're going to learn from the pros. You're going to have my support. You're going to get results once you take action. Okay. So these are strategies that are working and people are getting massive results. People have made millions and millions of dollars using these same strategies that we teach as well. So go ahead if you want to check out my best recommendation for earning income on the internet. So thanks again, my friend. See you in the next video.